So, welcome to Deshmukh Homestay. This is how the um, row house looks from the outside. That is the balcony number 2. This is the main entrance from where you get in, and this is the second balcony for the 1 BHK. This is the gate from where you can get your car, and as you can see, where the orange car is parked, you can park the car inside. It's private parking space. Now, as we enter, this is how you come to the main foyer of the building, and you can see the nameplate Deshmukh Homestays. You enter the house from here. This is the main door to the house. Now, as we open the door and we come inside, you can see there is one door to the left, which is the entry to the living room, and the door in front, which is the entry to the bedroom, the first bedroom. As you can see, this is how the bedroom looks. This is the first bedroom, which is in the 1 BHK apartment. This is how the bedroom looks. You have 2 cupboards, out of which the left cupboard is which you can use. The room is typically 200 square feet. Now we come to the living room. This is how the living room looks. You can see there's a 3+1+1 sofa. The hall itself is around 300 to 400 square feet. There is extra seating space. You have a sofa cum bed, which can open up into a bed in the night where 2 people can comfortably sit in. For your entertainment purposes, you have a 50-inch TV along with a soundbar, and there's a center table too for the same. Just adjoining the living room, there is another door which opens up into the big balcony. This is the balcony where you can comfortably sit around 4 to 5 people. And this is the view from the balcony. And you can see this is the entire view that you get from the balcony. There's a small garden and the back space is really big. From the balcony we can get into the outside space through this door, and this is the space that you have for the entire outside area. It's very big space, around 2000 to 3000 square feet. There's a river in Raini which just flows next to us, and this is the entire back space where you can have play and have a good outdoor time. This entire space belongs to us, and you can use this for your personal preference. Right up to the corner there. Now, just outside the bedroom, you have the toilet and the wash basin. It's in the common area. It's Western commode style. And this is the bathroom, which has geyser shower facility. Now, as we continue down the hallway from the toilet bathroom, this is the kitchen, where you have a comfortable dining space for 3 people. 3 people can comfortably sit in. You have a fridge, a microwave, a toaster, entire full-fledged kitchen with a water purifier and kitchen cabinets for all your storage needs. For cooking, you have a gas and all the your basic stuff like oil and things available. And there's a small balcony from the kitchen which oversees a view like this. This is the view you get from the kitchen. So this was the entire 1 BHK setup. In case people book for the 3 BHK, then this extending room from the living room opens to the other section of the house where you have other 2 bedrooms and additional toilet bathroom. So this is the second master bedroom, which can comfortably sleep about king size bed, sleeping about 2 people. And this is how it looks. And there is a small sofa cum bed that can again sleep a single person. There is additional seating area where you can sit and work. There are big throughout windows, and the view that you get is the courtyard view along with the garden view. Now this is the third bedroom in the 3 BHK apartment, which again has a king size bed which can comfortably sleep about 2 people, a small cupboard for keeping your daily stuff, another window which opens up into the garden, which gives you a garden view, as you can see. And there's a small balcony here which again opens up for getting fresh air, and this is the view that you get from the second small balcony. Now this is the bathroom for the 3 BHK, the second bathroom. And there's a washing machine, as you can see. Again, this comes with a geyser setup, shower facility and tap facility. This is the additional wash basin for the 3 BHK setup along with mirror. And this is the additional toilet for the 3 BHK setup. Again, western side commode. So this was the entire video of the 1 BHK as well as 3 BHK setup. Thank you.